chamfer, chamfer, chamfer,
chamfer, chamfer, chamfer is a term used in manufacturing, engineering, and architecture to describe the act of beveling or cutting off the edge of a material at an angle. The result is a flat, angled surface that is often used for aesthetic purposes, to reduce sharp edges, or to make it easier to join two pieces of material together. Chamfers can also help to prevent damage to a material by distributing the forces applied to it more evenly. In general, chamfering is a versatile technique that can be used to improve the functionality and appearance of many different types of materials.